Drink cucumber and okra water, and see what happens. Are you looking for a refreshing and healthy drink that can also provide a variety of benefits for your body? Then drinking a glass of okra and cucumber water can be a great option for you. This mixture can offer a few amazing benefits due to its nutrients. In this video, I'll share the benefits of drinking cucumber mixed with okra water. This delicious and nutritious beverage can offer special benefits that can cure many diseases. To know its complete details and a simple recipe to prepare it, please keep watching the video until the end. So if you are ready, let's get started. Cucumber water and okra are great ways to improve taste and hydration. However, combining these ingredients can also provide numerous medicinal properties and promote your health. Let's see the amazing health benefits of cucumber and okra water regularly. First, it is rich in antioxidants. This mixture becomes the antioxidant powerhouse of your diet. The antioxidant is essential for combating free radicals, inflammation, and oxidative stress that can lead to chronic diseases. Okra and cucumber water contains compounds like quercetin and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory effects on the body. This helps to reduce the risk of developing various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. It improves digestion. Cucumbers and okra are both rich in fiber and antioxidants, which can greatly improve your digestion. Fiber is an essential nutrient that helps to keep the digestive system functioning properly. It helps to move food in the gut, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Okra is particularly high in fiber, with 1 cup providing around 4 grams of fiber, which is around 15% of the recommended daily intake. On the other hand, cucumbers also contain a good amount of fiber, providing around 1 gram per cup. Improve heart health. Cucumber water and okra can help improve your heart health. It lowers the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Because okra water contains important bioactive compounds that can help to reduce lipid levels in the blood. Cucumber water can also be very good for your heart. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties and can regulate and lower blood pressure. Because of the high levels of potassium in cucumber water, this is possible. Manage blood sugar. Consuming this amazing mixture can help to manage blood glucose levels. This is especially important for those individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. It is also important for our overall well-being and for reducing chronic diseases. As per research, especially okra water can help to improve insulin resistance and blood sugar management. It offers unique enzymes that can help to prevent diabetes and kidney-related diabetes complications. Hydrates the body. Drinking cucumber and okra water can help to keep the body hydrated. Hydration is essential for overall health, as it helps to regulate body temperature. It flushes out toxins and supports various bodily functions. Cucumbers are made up of around 96% water, which means this mixture is an excellent way to hydrate the body. Aids in weight loss. Cucumbers and okra are both low in calories and high in fiber. This can make them helpful for weight loss. A diet that is low in calories and high in fiber can help to promote feelings of fullness, reduce appetite, and support weight loss. Fiber also helps to promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. Cucumber and okra water supports weight loss by reducing the absorption of fat and carbohydrates in the gut. After knowing the benefits of consuming cucumber and okra water, now, let's see the preparation method of this mixture and how to consume it. Ingredients you need: 1 medium-sized sliced cucumber, sliced okra of 1 piece, and 4 cups of water. Add all ingredients to water and let infuse for about 30 minutes, and then consume. It prefers to consume it every morning on empty stomach to get maximum benefits. Now let me know, are you going to try this combination? Write your answer in the comment section. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us, and share this video with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.